Are you a content creator looking for a laptop that balances performance, design and price without burning a hole in your pocket? Well, today we are checking out the Dell G15-5530. A gaming laptop that might just be a next creative companion. This machine comes with an Intel Core i5-13450 HS processor, NVIDIA RTX 3050 with 6 GB of virtual RAM, 16 GB DDR5 RAM and a 12-15 GB SSD. On the front you will get a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 120 refresh rate, all wrapped up in the Dell's dark shadow grey finish. It also runs Windows 11 and comes preloaded with Microsoft Office 2021. Now let's talk about performance. The i5-13450 HS is a pretty solid CPU for creative work. It handles multitasking, photo editing and even 4K video editing without much fuss. Pair that with the RTX 3050 and you unlock GPU acceleration for smoother rendering and NVIDIA's N1C encoder, which is great if you are into streaming or exporting video faster. With the 16 GB DDR5 memory, you will have enough room for most projects. But if you work on heavier timeline with a lot of effects, I will definitely recommend upgrading of 32 GB. As far as storage, the 512 GB SSD is speedy. But let's be real, if you are dealing with raw footage, you must need external drive. On the display side, the 120 refresh rate makes everything feel smooth, especially when scrolling through timelines. It's great for gaming too if that's your thing. But for creators, color accuracy matters more than refresh rate. While this panel is decent for everyday use, I would suggest pairing it with an external monitor for color critical work like photo editing or grading. Design wise, the G15-5530 keep it simple yet stylish with the dark shadow grey finish at about 2.65 kg, but it's not most portable laptop, but it feels solid. Cooling is priority here, so expect some fan noise under heavy workloads. Let's say for example now you are using Chrome, so it's a basic thing, it's a basic performance. So if you need to work like editing or gaming, you have to switch into performance mode. How you can change like that? If you insert charge, how the laptop will performance, how the gaming mode will performance, like that and all you have to customize in Alienware. And this laptop have RGB light and 4 stroke and 4 type of colors you have to customize in Alienware. So it will help for practical for late night editors. So Dell G15-5530 is worth it for content creator? Yes, obviously. If you are working on 1080p or 4K projects, streaming or editing photos, this laptop can handle it well. It's powerful, versatile and offers great value for the price. Just remember, for the best experience, consider adding more RAM, invest in external storage and maybe use a calibrated monitor for serious color work. If you are a creator who also enjoy gaming, this is the great all-rounder that won't let you down. So this is the reason I buy Dell G15-5530. If you are a content creator, you can definitely close your eyes and buy this laptop or go for something with a little more power. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this review is helpful, just hit the like button and I will catch you in the next one, and next video let me tell you how to buy a laptop for your use.
all success here.